Going up front, the teacher always has one foot on the pedal throughout this exercise for safety. Face the chair and press the pedal down, stand on it with the balls of the feet together near the back edge of the pedal, then step one foot up so it's in the center in line with the center ridge. Place your knee gently against the backboard and arms draped over the top rung of the chair. Angle your body forward so it's on the same diagonal as the bottom leg. The heel on that bottom leg stays lifted throughout. Let the pedal carry you up without pressing down on the top rung, and then resist gravity in the spring to lower yourself down to where your thigh is parallel with the floor. Notice that your standing leg hip will want to drop down, so pull that same hip up towards the ceiling to square off your hips. The goal of the exercise is to keep your hips stable and your spine tall throughout the exercise. You can advance the exercise once you can keep your pelvis and spine stable by extending the opposite arm as your bent leg up towards the ceiling. And once you can do that 3 to 5 times, you can advance it even further by taking both arms up towards the ceiling, always reaching the arms in the same diagonal as the bottom leg. Once you can accomplish both arms reaching up off of the chair, and you can do 3 to 5 repetitions, this exercise can be advanced even further by taking it to the Wunda Chair for the balance control front. To get off the chair, take your hands to the vertical poles, step both feet to the pedal, step one foot to the floor, and with control, bring the pedal up.